Kitchen fam, welcome to the Choose Zone where the recipes are simple, the bites are easy, and the food always delicious. If you are new here, you made it to the right place. Now take a seat, look fine, which you already do, and keep watching. Just don't leave without subscribing, okay? Hit that subscribe button, like the video for more mouth-watering goodness, and let's grow this food family together. Alright, we are starting up with our already washed and clean chicken parts. Into the chicken, we are dropping in some little oil, curry powder, salt, oregano, paprika, ginger powder, and some seasoning cube. Now, mix that chicken like you mean it. Every chicken deserves that marinade. Once they are well coated, arrange them nicely on a baking tray. Pop it into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now you may be thinking, wait, why the baking before adding to the stew? Well, here is the thing. Baking locks in the flavor, boosts in the texture, and keeps that juice right where we want them. In the meat, not floating in the pot like a drama. Plus, it gives it that deep, smoky chicken taste, which is absolutely delicious. Next, let's prep our stew base. All you need is 1 large bell pepper, 4 medium carrots, yes, because it is carrot stew, 2 medium onions, a bit of pressed ginger, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Rough chop everything, just make it blendable. Throw them all into a blender and blitz until smooth. In my pot, I went in with mix of vegetable oil and red palm oil, just enough to coat the sole of the pot. Pour in your blended carrot stew base. Give it a good stir, cover and let it simmer down for a bit until the oil starts to float and raw smell goes out of the pot. Meanwhile, our chicken pegs are ready to the party. Just look at this, turned out so gorgeous. Back to the stew, we are seasoning it up again with some thyme, curry, a seasoning cube, and some salt. Stir it well and cover for a few seconds. Let the spices do its magic. Now it is reunion time. Bring that juicy baked chicken into the pot. Stir gently and let it simmer for a few minutes until all combine like a beautifully written poem. And just look at that, boom, carrot stew is served and slaying. Bright, rich, and so flavorful. You can eat it with rice, yam, bread, or just straight from the pot, no judge. Thanks for sticking around, Kitchen Fam. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See you in the next one. Stay spicy.